Right then, on the beach, lovely sandy beach today. Tide's out and it's on its way back. I'm back out with the Nox800. I'm only going to be down here for probably 3, maybe 4 hours, but generally I'd say I'm going to be here for 3 hours. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's a beautiful day, and tomorrow is supposed to be thunderstorms and rain again. So I'm out to make the most of it. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. 12:13. So is that going to be ring pull? Got a grunt there. So let's see what we got. A bit of foil. So the litter pickers are around. So you need a metal detector to find the actual rubbish. Well, I said nothing else. Foil out of there. And now we've got a bottle cap at 15. There you go, bottle cap. Oh, we've got a couple of targets. 23, 24 and a 17. So we go for the 22 to 24. A bloody can. Why? I expect it was just a halo then. Yeah, it's just a halo. Alright, got a repeatable 14. Out. £50p. Nothing else. They got 50p. I got a repeatable 22 as well. Oh. I got a nugget. I got a nugget. So £1.50. It's a 24, occasionally 23 and occasionally 25. Possibly a can. In fact, I'm going to go for a can. Still showing shallow, so clearly not. Oh, there you go, I've just hooked something. Can. There you go. Just another can. This time Foster's. Okay. Just dug it out. It was a 15. I'll just go over it just to make sure. Yeah, 15 solid. Out of that little hole there. Looks like a 20p piece. Yep, 20p. That's £1.70 so far. There you go. Oh, it's jumping around quite a lot. 19 to 22. Someone's medicinal drink. I've got another 15 solid. So possibly another 20p or a 50p. I can't remember what the 50p's come up as. Oh, still in there. Now, in a scoop. Yep, 20p. 20p. You got 15s, 18s, 20s, it's all over the place, so I'll go for probably a bit of aluminium. No, even worse. Oh, where's it gone? Even worse, a bottle cap. Yeah, another bottle cap. Alright, various different signals actually, 3 or 4 signals. So you've got a 2930 here. Oh, bloody hell. Epoxy lost Mary. Oh well. Lost Mary. And another one. Yeah, another one. $13 to $15. Oh, pop. There's another one. Someone's having a party then, or just couldn't be bothered to go to the shop. Oh, another one there, I suppose. Possibly another one there. Yep. Yeah, that's it. I got a very quiet 15. It's 3 chevrons down. It's out. Ah, bloody bottle cap. Oh well. Never mind. Oh, we've got 11, 12. It's a double clanger. It's out. So is it going to be a ring pull? That's in the scoop. Oh yeah, ring pull. That's what's left of one. There you go. Predominantly a 13, sometimes a 12. That's in the scoop. That's another ring pull. I've got two signals, both 21, 22s. Let's have a look, cans or coins. There's a can. That's just a can. Alright, tide's coming in. Lots of people down here now. A lot more than what there was earlier. So I've only done 2 hours. So I'll knock it on the head and hopefully be out in the fields tomorrow. Thanks for following. Thanks for joining. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike, do the same. Not a problem. Thank you very much. Bye.